Alright, so we decided to do something dumb. We're making a 2-man potato cannon out of compressed air. Here's all our supplies. We'll show you how we build it. But, what, 10 feet long?
Yeah, probably somewhere around there.
About 10 feet long, so we'll walk you through everything. What we're going to do now is sand up all the edges so the bonding stuff will bond better. So we'll start sanding right now. So Mav's sanding all the ends, he's almost done. I now have the bong in place. Sure, we'll tighten it up with everything better. So once he's done sanding, we're gonna wipe down everything and then put the sealant on. And we're about there. The rest is just building it all together, but this is actually kind of hard to do.
You know what?
Alright. Well, I'm done with the prep right now. We had to send Mav to get... I'm vlogging. Anyways, so I'm done with the prep, got everything like primed up. We had PVC pipe cement, but it was bad and already sealed up. So Maverick went with the end cap because we didn't plan out how to seal up after we filled up with air. So Mav took this little end piece with the thread that I put the air compressor nozzle on, and he's getting a another two-way valve, or another valve so we can close it off after we pressurize. We're just waiting for him to get back and we're sealed all together and hopefully shoot it tonight. The sun's starting to go down, but we got time. Alright, so we got it all laid out. We are just waiting for Mav to get back now. It's a big mother. It's huge. He had to go get more valves. I already told you guys, but more valves so we can do a stop valve for the air into this. Yeah. It's pretty long. So, we're excited. We're almost out of light, but he's just now leaving Menards. Cody's gonna help too. He's gonna be the third man holding it.
Gonna get hurt, exploded.
No faith. So we glued the sides, or all the caps, and taped them. It's about 10 to 11 foot tall. We're letting the air compressor build and let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna test shoot a snowball. See how it works out.
Hopefully not all go to the fucking ER.
So negative. So negative. Video on the phone. Checking my shot before we play it. Or I guess it's already good. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Go.
Wow.
Dude. That's probably 100 feet high. And
It goes probably 200
300
yards, 300 yards.
yeah, I was going to say, that's a football field.
It's fucking going.
No, it really is.
Right down the hole.
Ready?
Yep. Go, 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 go! Did that go through?